Arutwo milioni 1.1 nio MAIKARIIRE kigeranio kia KJSEA mwaka uyu, aya ario a mbere kuma grade 9 nginya grade 10. Minista wa GITHOMO JULIUS MIGOS akiranira MUTARATARA uyu ni wathie na mbere uria kwagiriire hatari gatithio na thukuru iria arutwo aya makaingira mwaka ukite ukaringana na mieke iria thukuru mwanya mwanya cigakorwo nacio.
But this is the first transition. So being the first transition, it will have a few teething problems. But our teams are already been trained and they are available to ensure that those issues are resolved to the benefit and to the advantage of the student. There is a placement criteria that has already been developed and which has been explained to the students and which they use to select the schools depending on their strength and their pathways.
MIGOS no ataririe thukuru imwe ni ikaheana mathomo ma pathways ciothe ithatu na ingi iheane igiri, no na gukiri uguo ni gugakorwo na mweke wa murutwo guthama niguo gutigirira hatiri na murutwo wa hatiririo.
Some schools will be providing the 3 pathways, other schools will provide the 2 pathways. So that is how it's being done, and once we start the placement where students need to change or transfer, there is room to do that, and that discussion will be available to them so that no student will be disappointed.
Thirikari ni ikoretwo na thina wa kurekereria mbeca cia mahuthiro ihinda-ini riria riagiriire. MIGOS akiuga ni marekeririe riboti ya kumenya thukuru ciothe cia muthingi, junior secondary na secondary, akiranira mbeca ici ni cikarekererio ihinda-ini riria riagiriire mwaka ukite.
The policy is clear. If you have students in high school, the amount should be 22,240. In junior school is 15,000, and in primary is 1,540. So once we submit this early, then we will be able to receive the capitation early so that the students, once the schools open, the capitation will already be in place. We had a challenge before because the numbers were not clear. But now we have cleaned our data and we have the correct numbers of the students in primary, junior and senior school.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.